job, honey. Good job. Wow. He's first. Gotta get your arms back up. Bring up your arms, honey. You can do it. Oh, you're doing so good. There you go. You might. Come on, Zara. Oh, you rolled over. How are you supposed to crawl if you roll over? Zara, how are you supposed to crawl if you roll over there, little girl? You're so beautiful. Yes, you are. Hi.